Hi everyone, Builder Dave here, and I'm back in the room we showed earlier about how we run our electrical lines in the walls. And now that we have the drywall up, earlier you could see the drywall, the electrical lines in the styrofoam walls and how we cut through. And then this is a framed wall. So right about here we transition from concrete wall to interior wood frame wall. And like I said earlier in the video, that you won't be able to tell the difference, and now you can't see the transition. This wall is an exterior wall of the house, looks just like a normal wall, as this is an interior wood frame wall, which is really cool once we get them done. The really thing I'm in here today is this, we've put our drywall up and we've finished our drywall with a level 5 tough hide finish. And what makes that very, very different, so if you've ever seen new construction, you'll see in the drywall area, you'll see where all the tape and mud is applied to the walls, and then in the middle you'll see the actual drywall paperboard. Here we have not painted this room. This is an all unpainted room, and we've just applied the level 5 tough hide finish to the walls. And what makes this finish very, very special is that now we can apply a low sheen or mild sheen wall paint to the walls, and we don't see the deviation between where the mud is on the wall and where the paper would be. And if you have a glare on the wall, you can actually see where the paper shows up through the paint and then where the mud tape is. And that doesn't look good in a more high-end luxury home. And in this case, we have that, and we actually did the high-end finish. So it finishes beautifully. Next step will be we'll actually do painting of the walls. And we'll come back in and show this exact same room finished with paint. But if you are interested in what this looked like before we applied all the drywall, you can go back and look at some of our other posts, and you'll see me standing in this exact same room pre-drywall with this exterior ICF wall transitioning to somewhere in here, and then it turns into wood frame the rest of the way. Again, like I've said before, once the house is finished, you can't tell the difference other than we get these really cool deep windowsills. And we have a windowsill here. Great. I have cats. Cats love to sit on the windowsills. Great for book, but you get this wonderful deep window set, and it looks gorgeous when it's finished. Any questions, just let us know. Have a great day.